Welcome to this truly sophisticated property nestled near the Quinta do Lago lake. This area is renowned for its breathtaking scenery, proximity to beautiful beaches, and local restaurants such as Casa do Lago, The Shack, and Bovino Steakhouse. Hi, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Let me show you around. This exceptional property comprises 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms in a total of nearly 890 square meters of living area. The open-plan kitchen and dining room feature top-notch appliances, including a Liebherr fridge freezer and a Bora cooker. This space extends to a covered barbecue with spacious dining area, ideal for al fresco meals. The outdoor pool is surrounded by an elegant terrace and immaculate landscaping. My favorite feature? This luxurious principal bedroom suite with his and hers bathrooms and a terrace that offers breathtaking sea views. The lower level of the villa is designed for ultimate enjoyment and leisure, featuring a cinema area, gym, yoga space, and an additional bar. There is also a lift that provides easy access to all levels, including the rooftop bar area. For more information on this stunning listing, visit our website reference 2184 or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.